full flaps as we slow down. Adjust thrust to maintain 130 knots as our final approach speed. Before landing checklist, landing gear, down. Flaps set to 45 degrees. Before landing checklist, complete. Flight attendants, please be seated for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start our descent. Please make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position. Make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened and all carry-on luggage is stowed under the seat or in the overhead bins. Please turn off all electronic devices until we are safely parked at the gate. Thank you.
Orbit 326 Heavy, Juliana Tower, position and hold.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached our destination. For your safety and comfort, we ask you to please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
World Travel 268, welcome St. Martin, turn left next taxiway.
Please check around your seat for
World
any
Travel
personal belongings you
268,
may have brought
continue
on
taxiing
board,
and use one of the
please
two
use caution
turning
when
bays on the
opening
right to
overhead
turn
bins.
around, then make your
The
way to
articles
the
may
terminal
shift
via the
during
runway
flight.
and taxiway
Thank
Delta.
you for flying with us, and we hope to see you on board again soon.